Now that we have created our website and we have also checked our website, and now I want to get this website online so that anyone from anywhere in the world can access this website. And for this we need to upload our website, and to upload your website you need two things. The first one is the domain name and the second one is the hosting account. A domain name is just like the address of your website, and usually it is in the form of .com, .net, .us and many more. If anyone type that address or domain name in the browser link bar, then that person can access the website. Just like whenever we want to access Google, then we type in the browser link bar google.com. And the second thing which is required to get your website online is the hosting account. A hosting account is the memory space in the World Wide Web where you can upload your website. Now here I am in my browser and you can see the Google site and you can see the domain name or address of this website here, and that is google.com. Now there are some sites from where you can get the domain name and a hosting account. You can get both things from a single site or you can get each one from different sites. Here are some top sites which are providing domain names and hosting services. The first one is the GoDaddy.com and the second one is the Bluehost.com, and this website is known for their hosting services. And the third one is the HostGator, and this is also a very popular site to host your website. Now let's come to the Dreamweaver and upload our website. I have a domain name for my website and you can see that on the screen. Now if you are following along with me, then you can use some free hosting sites. Just search on the Google. Now once you have a hosting account, then you can upload your website to that hosting account through Website File Manager, or you can get the FTP details from your hosting account, and then using these FTP details you can use any FTP client to upload your website to that hosting account. And luckily Dreamweaver has also a FTP client from where we can upload our website directly from Dreamweaver. And the FTP details for my website are here, you can see on the screen. You need a FTP host name, and usually that is your domain name. And second thing you need is the username, and the third one is a password. And these details are provided by your hosting company. Now let's come to the Dreamweaver and connect with our hosting server using FTP details. And we can connect with our FTP server by just clicking on this icon, or we can go to edit and then in the preferences and then in the site section and then in the manage sites, and here you can see our website which we created at the beginning of this course. And you can also create a new one if you want to. Okay, so now let's connect with our hosting server. And you can open the properties of this website by just double clicking on it, or by just selecting it and then by clicking on this button. So let's open the properties of this website, and then in the site section you can see the local details of our website, and this is the local root folder of our website. Our concern is with servers section of this website. So let's open the server section, and now here you will have to define the remote server of your website. Let's create a new remote server using our FTP details. Click on the plus button. So first of all, choose any server name, and I'm going to choose Dreamweaver course. And connect using FTP, and the FTP address will be provided by your hosting company, and in my case that is this, and my username is, and then type in here your FTP password and then click on test. And then Dreamweaver will connect to your server if the information which you provided is correct. So I'm going to click on OK and then save this server, and you can see in the server list, and you can create another server if you want to upload this website on another server. Okay, so we have created a server for our website. Then click on save and then done, and then hit apply and close. Now in the files panel, if I click on this button, then it will connect to my that server, and I'm going to click on that, and then it will be connected successfully, and you can see the icon has been changed. Now click on the save, and now you can view the files of your remote server by just changing the local view to remote server. Clicking on that, and these are the files which are present in my hosting account. Let's select the local view, and now let's click on this button to show both views, local and remote. And now here you can see at the right side of the window our local view of website, and at the left side of window you can see the remote server of our website. And now you can put files into your remote server, or you can get the files from your remote server to your local files. If you have some files in your remote server and want to edit, and I'm going to select the put files to remote server because I want to upload and now you can see that our files are being uploaded, and it will take some time, and it depends on the size of your website. So here it is. Now you can see that all of our files have been transferred into our remote server. But I want all of my files to be inside of this public HTML folder, because this is the folder where I want all of my files to be. And now I'm going to select all of my files, tapping the Control key on the keyboard and then selecting the multiple files. Right click on it, and then in the edit select cut, and then select this public HTML folder, and then right click on it, and in the edit paste. And then it will move all of the files to inside of that folder. And I have moved these files into that folder because my website will be shown if my files are inside this public HTML folder. Your hosting provider will also tell you that where you need to put the files. And now I have all of my files in my remote server, and once you have uploaded these files and want to edit these files, you can select the get button to get these files into your local files. Or if you want to get a single file, then select that file and right click on it, and in the edit select copy, and then come to the local files and then select your website folder, right click on it, and then in the edit select paste, and that single file will be transferred into your local files. and you can see that here, but I'm gonna delete that file. Okay, so now your website is online, and in the next video we'll check our website in a browser.